Which country's president was the chief guest of India's Republic Day celebrations in 2023? Egypt. Which was the theme of the G20 New Delhi Summit? One Earth, One Family, One Future. Which book won the International Booker Prize 2023? Time Shelter. Who became the President of the United Nations General Assembly in 2023? Dennis Francis. Which team won the 2023 Cricket World Cup? Australia. Which is the name of the mission launched by India to provide humanitarian assistance for people in Myanmar affected by Cyclone Mocha? Operation Karuna. Subrata Roy, who died on 14 November 2023, was the founder of which company? Sahara India Parivar. Who succeeded Susan Wojcicki as YouTube CEO? Neil Mohan. When did Chandrayaan 3 land on the moon? August 2023. Who became the first woman to skydive from 21,500 feet in front of Mount Everest? Sheetal Mahajan. How many workers were trapped in the 2023 Uttarakhand tunnel collapse? 41. Who is the author of the book Made in India 75 Years of Business and Enterprise? Amitabh Kant.